Cristiano Ronaldo. He isn't just a football superstar, he's also a shining example of how to maintain a strong body and youthful energy even as the years go by. You might wonder, what are the secrets that help him perform at such an astonishing level? Well beyond what his age suggests, let's uncover the secrets to his remarkable longevity and superhuman strength. 1. Diet and nutrition. First up is Ronaldo's strict diet. It's no secret that what you eat plays a huge role in how you feel and perform. Ronaldo focuses on lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This means he loads up on foods like chicken, fish, eggs, and vegetables. These foods provide the energy he needs to keep going strong on the field. Ronaldo also believes in the power of hydration. He avoids sugary drinks like soda, which can slow you down and make you feel tired. Instead, he drinks plenty of water and nutrient-rich fluids. Staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're working out a lot. If you want to feel your best like Ronaldo, try to drink more water and eat healthy. But Ronaldo's diet isn't just about what he eats. It's also about how often he eats. He typically has several smaller meals throughout the day rather than just 3 big ones. This keeps his energy levels steady and helps him recover faster. By fueling his body regularly, he maintains peak performance both on and off the field. 2. Exercise regimen. Now, let's talk about exercise. Ronaldo's workout routine is not your average athlete's plan. He takes it to the next level. He includes strength training, which helps him build muscle and power. He also practices high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, which is a great way to get your heart pumping in a short amount of time. But that's not all. Ronaldo focuses on exercises that help him recover too. Recovery is super important for athletes because it keeps them strong and healthy. He does exercises for explosiveness and speed, like sprints and plyometrics. Plyometrics are fun jumps that make you quick and agile. Plus, he does core strengthening exercises, which help him stay balanced and powerful on the field. You see, Ronaldo doesn't just work out hard, he works out smart. He combines strength training with speed and recovery exercises to ensure that his body is ready for anything on the field. He also incorporates flexibility workouts like yoga and stretching, which help prevent injuries and keep his muscles flexible. And don't forget about his training routine during the off-season. Ronaldo continues to work out even when the season is over. This dedication ensures he stays in top shape, ready for whatever challenges come next. It's this commitment to his fitness that keeps him ahead of the competition. 3. Recovery and sleep. Speaking of recovery, let's dive into how Ronaldo takes care of his body after all that hard work. Recovery is essential for anyone who exercises regularly, and Ronaldo has some unique methods. He uses cryotherapy, which involves freezing temperatures to help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. Imagine stepping into a chamber that's super cold. It's like a winter wonderland for your muscles. He also enjoys deep tissue massages to relax his muscles and keep them in great shape. And let's not forget about sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for everyone, but especially for athletes. It helps the body heal and recover. Studies show that good sleep can actually reverse biological aging at a cellular level. That means if you sleep well, your body can feel younger and more energetic. Ronaldo typically aims for around 8 hours of sleep each night and even takes naps during the day when possible. This helps him stay refreshed and ready to tackle whatever challenges come his way. So, if you want to perform like a pro, remember to prioritize your recovery and sleep just like Ronaldo does. 4. Mental strength. Next up is mental strength. This is often overlooked, but Ronaldo's mindset is a huge part of his success. He believes in discipline and hard work. Every day, he pushes himself to improve and compete at the highest level. This mental toughness keeps him in peak physical and mental condition. Ronaldo practices visualization techniques where he imagines himself succeeding on the field. This positive thinking helps him stay focused and motivated, even when things get tough. He also sets specific goals for himself, which helps him stay driven and committed to his training. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Alex for more fitness and health tips. Let's all strive to live healthier and happier lives together. See you next time.